Have you ever wondered what the easiest way to make money with affiliate marketing is? Well, you're about to find out. Let's start at the beginning. Affiliate marketing is a strategy that involves promoting products or services for a business, and in return, earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. Think of it as being a middleman, connecting consumers with products that you believe in and making a profit from each successful match. This method is a popular way to generate income online, as it can be done from anywhere and requires minimal startup costs. But don't let the simplicity fool you. The potential for earning is immense, with some affiliates making a full-time income from their efforts. The process can be broken down into easy-to-follow steps, allowing even beginners to dive in and start making money. Buckle up and keep your eyes peeled as we unravel the intricacies of this exciting venture. Get ready to discover the simplest way to make money with affiliate marketing. Before diving into the steps, it's crucial to understand what affiliate marketing is. In essence, affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model. In this model, a company, also known as the merchant, partners with an individual or another company, often referred to as the affiliate. The affiliate's role is to promote the merchant's products or services. They do this through various channels, such as their website, blog, social media platforms, or even email marketing. For every sale or lead that the affiliate generates through these promotions, they receive a commission from the merchant. The beauty of this model is that it's a win-win situation. The merchant gets more sales, and the affiliate earns money for their promotional efforts. Affiliate marketing is a popular online income strategy because it revolves around the simple concept of revenue sharing. It's a flexible and cost-effective way to generate income, and it's accessible to anyone with an online presence. Now that you have a basic understanding of affiliate marketing, let's move on to the steps. The first step to making money with affiliate marketing is to choose your niche. A niche is essentially a specific market that you'll cater to. This targeted approach can be your golden ticket to success. See, by zeroing in on a particular audience, you can tailor your content and affiliate offers to their specific interests and needs. It not only improves engagement, but also maximizes your potential earnings. So don't be a jack of all trades, master your niche. You've selected your niche, it's time to find affiliate programs. Finding the right affiliate program is the next step. There's a multitude of them out there. But how do you pick the one that's perfect for you? Well, start by considering commission rates. Higher rates can mean more earnings, but remember, a high commission on a product that doesn't sell is worth zero. So, look for a balance between reasonable commission and product popularity. Consider product relevance. If your audience loves gardening, they're unlikely to click on your affiliate link for car parts. Choose products that resonate with your audience's interests and needs. Consider the brand's reputation. A reputable brand not only ensures quality products, but also builds trust with your audience. After all, your recommendation is a reflection of your judgment. Don't be afraid to do your research and even reach out to other affiliate marketers for advice. With the right affiliate program, you're one step closer to making money. The final step is promoting your affiliate products. This is where the magic happens, where your efforts bear fruit. One effective method is content marketing. Create engaging, valuable content that resonates with your audience and subtly incorporates affiliate products. This could be blog posts, podcasts, or even infographics. Leverage the power of platforms to share captivating posts about your affiliate products and engage with your followers. Remember, platforms thrive on interaction, so don't shy away from conversations. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of email marketing. By building an email list, you can directly reach out to interested individuals, deliver personalized content, provide value, and then introduce your affiliate products. This helps build trust and facilitates conversions. So you now know the easiest way to make money with affiliate marketing. It's time to get started. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn passive income. Journey begins with identifying your niche, that sweet spot where your passion meets market demand. Then, it's about seeking out affiliate programs that resonate with your chosen niche. You've found your perfect fit. It's game time. your affiliate products effectively is the final piece of the puzzle. The key to success in affiliate marketing is patience and persistence. Happy marketing! That's it for our guide on making easy money with affiliate marketing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.